Naitala na ng National Basketball Association, NBA, ang unang manlalaro na kumubra ng 40,000 points sa kasaysayan ng liga. Naabot ni LeBron James ng Los Angeles Lakers ang nasabing puntos matapos labanan ng kanyang koponang Los Angeles Lakers ang Denver Nuggets nitong Sabado sa Los Angeles kung saan natalo ang Lakers, 124-114. Nasa 40,017 points ang kabuuang score ni James pagkatapos ng nasabing laban. Bukod dito, naka 10,000 rebounds din ang manlalaro, dagdag pa ang 10,000 assists. Nahigitin ni James si Kareem Abdul-Jabbar na nakaipon lang ng 39,387. Being the first player to do something, it's pretty cool in this league cause you just know the history, you know the grace that has come through the league, banggit ni James. But the main thing is always the main thing and that's the win. And I hated that had to happen in a defeat especially versus a team that plays extremely well. We played some good basketball but wasn't able to close it out, so bittersweet, but I enjoyed every moment though, while on the floor, dagdag pa ni James.